Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Costco ESS. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then within the search box, type in Costco ESS employee login and press enter. Once you start your search, you will find the employee website option from Costco. Go ahead and click on it and now you will see the current employee login option. Go ahead and click on this option. And now you will end up within the login portal. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Costco employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on trouble signing in and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Costco employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.